Are you seeing the NetworkExplorer Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before we begin our NetworkExplorer Library walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the NetworkExplorer Library, the NetworkExplorer shell extension. This module manages the unmanaged rendering of the network folder within Windows Explorer. It facilitates the discovery of network devices and the orchestration of shared resource manifests via the SMB protocol. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as NetworkExplorer Library DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including NetworkExplorer Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Keep in mind that NetworkExplorer Library DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for NetworkExplorer Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped NetworkExplorer Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.